Story 7. I heard a peer instructor say to his murid, the mind of man is so much occupied with thoughts about maintenance that he would surpass the position of angels if he were to devote as many of them to the giver of maintenance. Yazid has not forgotten thee at the time when thou wast sperm, buried, insensible. He gave thee a soul, nature, intellect, and perception, beauty, speech, opinion, meditation, and acuteness. He arranged 5 fingers on thy fist. He fixed 2 arms to thy shoulders. O thou whose aspirations are base, thinkest he will now forget to provide thee with the maintenance? And see, the needs of creation, sometimes the needs of one creation versus another are in the hands of another. And with charity and fair wages and fair housing and all that other stuff, everybody gets their needs. There's more than enough resources to multiply the population of the world 10 times over with the current technology. But are people going to do that? So this idea of if there's enough that are godlike, or if there are enough that, well, everybody do the best they can, and it'll all, be taken care of in that way too.